Sure. Turning off lantern.
This is the Ajazz K870T Bluetooth mechanical keyboard. This one has brown switches. So I'll show you the box. Can't really get that in focus, but it just says Ajazz Nacodex. Sorry. Can't really get to the focusing at the moment. So let me just open it up. Has a white fabric USB-C cable. This is woven fabric. It has rubber cover for the feet. It has an on-off switch right here. Each of these have a function setting for the lights. This is single on, it's reactive, so it turns off a little bit. 2, it stays on. And 3, where it's off and then it reacts after the fact. 1, I don't think that's reactive. 2, and 3. Non-reactive. 1, non-reactive. 2, 3. 1, reactive. 2 by row, 3 everywhere. Non-reactive 1, 2, and 3, all colors. 1, non-reactive, 2, cycle, and 3, everywhere effect.
Sure. Turning off lantern.
Wave effect. To use Bluetooth, you turn on Bluetooth mode. To turn on pairing, function, and P, hold it for a couple seconds until it starts flashing. Choose which device you want to assign it to, 1, 2, or 3. I'll go 1. From the computer, you can choose the keyboard. It says keyboard connecting, Ajazz K870T keyboard. So you just choose it and press done. We'll do a test. Works fine.